ang reklamo laban sa kanya.
Nanumpa na rin ang 23 senator judge ng impeachment trial maliban kay Senador Bato de la Rosa na absent. At nakatutok live si Sandra Aguinaldo. Sandra.
Yes, Bel, Vicky, Emil, naging matiwasay po at mabilis ang pagko-convene ng Senado bilang impeachment court at agad nga pong iniutos ang pagpapalabas ng summons para ipatawag si Vice President Sara Duterte sa harap ng impeachment court. Sa pagsusuot ng kanilang mga maroon na robe, nagbago ang persona ng mga senador na ngayon ay uupo ng mga senator judges sa impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte.
I, Alan Peter Compañero Shram Cayetano.
Nanumpa na rin si Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano bilang presiding officer sa paglilitis. Kasunod nito ang panunumpa ng mga senador bilang mga senator judge.
Pertaining to the trial of the impeachment of Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte.
Matapos manumpa, deemed constituted na ang Senado bilang impeachment court.
Earlier today, the articles of impeachment were referred to the Committee on Rules and consequently to the Senate sitting as an impeachment court. Mr. President, the articles of impeachment against Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte with its annexes are now presented to the court for proper disposition and action.
The same is duly noted and made of record.
Ngayong nabuo na ang korte, ipinatawag ng Senate Impeachment Court si Vice President Sara Duterte at pinasasagot sa impeachment complaint sa loob ng 10 calendar days.
Let a writ of summons be issued to the Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte, who is directed to file her answer within a non-extendable period of 10 days from receipt. Pursuant to Article 7 of the Rules of Procedure of Impeachment Trial, she is directed to appear before the session hall of the Senate of the Philippines upon notice. The Sergeant at Arms is directed to serve the written summons on Vice President Sara Duterte along with a copy of the Articles of Impeachment.
Bibigyan naman ng 5 calendar days ang prosecution para magkomento sa magiging sagot ni Duterte. Pag nakasagot na ang lahat, itatakda na ang pre-trial. Pagtitiyak pa ni Cayetano, magpapatuloy ang regular na trabaho ng mga senador, kaya aayusin ang kalendaryo nila para sa impeachment trial.
I approached members of the minority of the Senate, and later on I will approach the senator judges that we will fix the calendar together. And in pursuit of impartial justice, we will come up with a impeachment calendar that is fair to the prosecution and to the defense, and will allow us to continue to function in the legislative side of our work.
Having one of these mini sealers at home, its usefulness is simply enormous. For snacks you can't finish in one go, or open seasonings, you can seal them back up so you won't have to worry about them getting damp or attracting pests. Its usage is also very simple. Just press and hold, then gently slide it across.
Us to continue to function in the legislative side of our work.
Ayon na rin nga po sa sinabi ni Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano, ang susunod po nating aabangan ay yung pagsiserve ng summons kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Vicky?
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Sandra Aguinaldo.